Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update Louis Vuitton theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, search for the Messenger, click on that and you need to update Messenger application first. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and you need to open your Messenger application and you need to select any conversation. So I'm going to select this one. Click on this icon on the top right. From here you need to click on theme and select Louis Vuitton. Click on select again. So now you can see that Louis Vuitton theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.